Hello and welcome to OpenRose, a free and open source requirements management tool. Today I'm going to talk about upgrading a network installation of OpenRose. In today's environment, what I have on my computer is a locally installed and running IIS on which I have deployed OpenRose, and so I'm connecting to it using a local host URL. Let me show you that my current instance is version 02069 and I will be upgrading it to the latest version. To get the latest version, let me jump over to our GitHub page, which is github.com/openrose. This is where you can go to repository and get to the OpenRose as a product repository. All the releases that we have built are available for customers to download from releases section, which is available on the right side. And the latest version is 020120. This is the version I would like to upgrade to. So let me first download the application. Scrolling down, and there I'm going to use x64. So I'm just going to download the web UI first, and then subsequently let me also download the API as well. These two files are now downloaded on my local computer. So let me just go over to the download location, and we can see that just now I have downloaded the web UI and the API zip files. Now what I'll do is I'll switch back to IIS. This is my current instance of IIS, which is where I have OpenRose API, a web application running on port number 6736, and the OpenRose web UI, which is running on port number 7673. The first thing I will have to do is either stop the individual web application or go to the IIS and stop IIS itself. And to upgrade, because I'm using environment variable, I don't need to take the backup of my app settings.json file. Obviously, if required, I'll take the backup of my SQL Server database before doing the upgrade. Now let's go to OpenRose API. We can say import the application, and this time I'm going to import the application from a zip file which is available in the download location. So let me go to the download location. Let's pick up the path and then go over here and paste it. I think I will have to remove these two and go forward. This is the application. Is OpenRose API. So I'm just going to say those which are not required, we can just go ahead and remove the files. So override existing files, and yes, delete those which are not needed. And the installation was successful. That is OpenRose API. And now I'm going to do an import application for the OpenRose web UI. For that, let me go and pick up the path, which is this one. Let's copy as path, come back to our UI, remove the double quotes, that is not required. It picks up everything that is identified to be installed, and then we'll go ahead and say this application package information. So here it will be OpenRose web UI. Yes, delete all the extra files and replace existing files. Installation was successful. Let's go ahead and start Bagheera IIS instance on my computer. My computer name is Bagheera, so it appears as Bagheera as my IIS instance. Once it is started, I can go back to OpenRose and this should refresh, and now we can see in the settings that my version is upgraded to 020120. One of the feature which is released as part of 020120 is the go-to navigation links, and that's what I can see here as a new feature being added in my existing installation or network installation on IIS. And also let me just verify that all my projects are available. I can look at my data in a tree view, as well as I can go into the baseline and open a baseline in the tree view, and I should be able to see all my data as expected. So that's how we upgrade the network installation of OpenRose to 020120. Thanks a lot for your time, and hope you will share the information about OpenRose with others and use it for your individual project or the team project on which requirements management will help improve the quality of your products and services. Have a good day. Bye for now.